Hello MVP. Real quickly, 2 ways to get to registering your swimmers for this fall. Once you go to mvpaquatics.org, once you're at our homepage, one of two options. You can simply scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you'll see register for our upcoming programs. If you notice right now it's not open, this is set to open tomorrow, August 29th, which is Tuesday. You'll notice each group has their own little tab. So you have Pirates, Buccaneers, Marauder White, Vikings, and Marauder Silver. So based on the groups your swimmers have been assigned to, you will select that group for them. The second option is simply just to go to registration. If you scroll down here, the same thing, you get the little boxes. So the Pirates, the Buccaneers, Marauder White, Vikings, and Marauder Silver. That is the quickest way to get kids registered. Please let me know if you have any questions.